Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your referral link on the Instacart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and find your referral link on the Instacart app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Instacart app. Next, click on Account on the top right-hand corner. Afterwards, scroll down and then click on Refer a Friend, Earn Credit. Now, once you click on this page here, you can either send a text, share this app, or copy the code. Either way, if you click on Share, then click on Copy, that should copy your referral link on the Instacart app. So if we go into our notepad and then paste it, you'll see that we now have a referral link. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your referral link on the Instacart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.